Have you ever studied for hours, filled your head with facts, only to draw a complete blank? When it matters most, it's like the information was never even there. Meanwhile, students in Japan learn and remember over 2,000 complex kanji characters for life. This isn't a superpower. It's because they've mastered how to beat the brain's natural forgetting curve. Our brains are wired to forget new information within 24 hours. It's automatic. Unless we give our brain a powerful reason to keep information, it treats it as temporary. Here are 5 Japanese methods that work with your brain, not against it, to build unshakable memory. 1. Active recall. Most students focus only on input tree reading, highlighting. The samurai trained through Musashi Jironis, where they had to recall and apply skills alone in battle. The key is output. Close the book. Write everything you remember on a blank page. That mental struggle to retrieve the information is what forges strong memory connections. 2. The Kumon Method. Overwhelm is the enemy of memory. Learn in tiny, masterable steps. Focus on one small topic until it's effortless. Then move to the next. A 1% improvement daily makes you 37 times better in a year. It requires patience. But what you learn this way sticks for years, not days. 3. Spaced repetition. You can't water a plant once a month. Memory is the same. Review strategically. 5 minutes before sleep, 10 after today's days, 1 week, and 1 month. Each review after a break reinforces the memory, making it 3 times stronger and flattening the forgetting curve for good. 4. Interleaved practice. An athlete doesn't train just one muscle. They mix routines. Study one subject at a time, but switch between them in short blocks. This isn't multitasking. It trains your brain to be flexible and apply knowledge in any order, exactly like a real exam. 5NT, Protégé Effect. The ancient tradition of the best way to learn is to teach. When you explain a concept, you organize and simplify it, locking it into your own mind. Teach a friend, or even record yourself. Where you get stuck reveals exactly what you need to review. These 5 methods are a complete system. Active recall pulls info out. Kumon prevents overwhelm. Spaced repetition fights time. Interleaving builds flexibility. Teaching makes it permanent. Use them together, and you won't just study harder, you'll study smarter, training your brain the way it's meant to learn. Turn your normal memory into your greatest asset. Start today.